Dear student, very good morning to all of you. Once again, you're most welcome in DSS online English class. And student, I hope so that you are getting the complete information and knowledge about your chapter and about your course. So here, I'm explaining the second chapter of your book, Honeydew, and the part 2 of the chapter, the tsunami. So, in this process, I am going to explain the part second of the chapter. So, student, what is the moral of the chapter? We will get after the end of the story or the happening which is happened or which is described in this chapter. So, let's watch and study that what is given in the second part. So here Tilly Smith, that means here his story is going to describe of a girl whose name was Tilly Smith, a British schoolgirl, was able to save many lives when the tsunami struck Phuket beach in Thailand. The girls was able to save the many lives when the tsunami reached on the shore of the Phuket, which is situated or which is located in Thailand. मतलब थाईलैंड का एक जगह है जिसका नाम है फुकेट. फुकेट में जब सुनामी की वेव्स ने टच किया था तो वहाँ ये लड़की बहुत सारे लोगों की जान बचाई. Though she has won a number of awards, her parents haven't allowed to their daughter to be interviewed on the television and made into a heroine. Why do you think they took that decision? After all, you know that this is a very heroic deeds. भाई आपको पता है ना ये काफ़ी courageous deeds है, heroic deeds है, and for that she got a many award and many name and fame. But her parents never want to be interviewed on the television or on radio. Why? They didn't want to be popularity, and they didn't want to be that girl become popular. What is the reason behind it? Let's we discuss. Now here is a story from Thailand. Now I am going to describe a story of a थाईलैंड. थाईलैंड की कहानी को मैं डिस्क्राइब करने जा रहा हूँ. द स्मिथ फैमिली फ्रॉम साउथ ईस्ट इंग्लैंड वो सेलिब्रेटिंग क्रिसमस एट अ बीच रिसोर्ट इन साउथर्न थाईलैंड. इंग्लैंड की एक फैमिली, स्मिथ फैमिली, जो कि थाईलैंड पर क्रिसमस को सेलिब्रेट करने आई होती है. टिली स्मिथ वॉज अ 10 years old school girl. Her sister was 7 years old girl and their parents were Penny and Colin Smith. Here, her family is described by the narrator. Narrator ने यहाँ पे क्या किया? वो उसकी फैमिली को डिस्क्राइब किया है कि उसकी खुद की उम्र कितनी है. उसकी 10 years है एंड वो एक स्कूल गर्ल है. उसकी एक सिस्टर है जो 7 years old है एंड उसके पेरेंट्स है पेनी स्मिथ एंड कॉलिन स्मिथ. It was 26 December 2004. This was the happening of 26 December 2004. ये घटना कब की है? 26 December 2004 की है. Deadly tsunami waves were already on their way, and in that occasion that the catastrophe of the tsunami was on the way. ये वो समय है जिस समय जो सुनामी थी वो अपने वे पे थी. They had triggered by the massive earthquake of northern Sumatra early that morning. Triggered here means caused, describes sudden violent reaction here, and an undersea earthquake caused the tsunami. That means they had been triggered by a massive earthquake of northern Sumatra early that morning. That means that morning they felt a shivering, a massive earthquake in Sumatra. Sumatra is a part of It's a part of Thailand. I hope so, but you just try to search out that where is Sumatra located. The water was swelling and kept coming in. Penny Smith remembered. The water was swelling and kept coming in. Penny Smith remembered. पेनी स्मिथ को ये बात याद है कि उस समय क्या हुआ था. उस समय उन्होंने देखा कि पानी धीरे धीरे उफन रहा है, पानी धीरे धीरे बढ़ रहा था सुमात्रा का. The beach was getting smaller and smaller and the beach was getting smaller and smaller. That means जब पानी उफन रहा था तो बीच जो हो रहे थे वो क्या हो रहे थे, पानी में डूबते चले जा रहा था, अर्थात जो बीच था वो छोटा होता चला जा रहा था. I didn't know what was happening, but he never understood that what was happening. वो कब से समझ ही नहीं पाया कि क्या हो रहा था. Because I hope so that he had a little knowledge about the earthquake or geography. Geography के विषय में उनको थोड़ी कम knowledge रही होगी, so वो समझ नहीं पाया कि why this is happening, वो क्यों हो रहा है. But Tilly Smith sensed that something was wrong. Her mind kept going back to the geography lesson that she had taken in England just 2 weeks before she flew out to Thailand with her family. But Tilly was a brilliant girl. He had remembered that what her teacher taught during the lesson in the geography lesson. And it was just 2 weeks before when she and her family came to Thailand to celebrate Christmas. अब ये कुछ ही दिन पहले की बात है जब टिली ने अपने स्कूल में पढ़ा था, उसके टीचर ने ज्योग्राफी लेसन के विषय में बताया था. That means student here you can get some knowledge that whenever you hear or listen the lecture of your teacher and attend the complete classes of your teacher, then definitely teacher will tell you something new. It may be कि बहुत सारी बातें आपको पता रहती हैं या ये स्टोरी पता हो, ये स्टोरी आप खुद भी पढ़ सकते हो, देख सकते हो, but whenever you have listened the lecture, definitely you will get that how can we explain. कम से कम इतना तो सीख ही जाओगे ना कि how can we explain, हम explain कैसे कर सकते हैं. And what that little girl had done, उस लड़की ने क्या किया था ये भी आप समझ सकते हो. Tilly saw the sea slowly rise and start to form bubble and from whirlpool. Tilly ने देखा कि sea slowly धीरे धीरे क्या हो रहा था, sea waves rise हो रहे थे and foam आने शुरू हो गए. Foam that means जो पानी के ऊपर एक झाग सा बन जाता है, and bubble and whirlpool, and bubble begin to appear and whirlpool that means a wall in the waves. वेब्स के अंदर एक वॉल बन जाता है, एक चक्कर जैसा बन जाता है, उसको हम वॉल्स बोलते हैं. She remembered that she had seen this in the class in a video of a tsunami that hit the Hawaiian island in 1946. And when she saw that, she began to remember that she had seen this scene in his geography lessons video, in which video she had seen the picture of tsunami. मतलब उसको उस क्लास का एक वीडियो याद आ जाता है जब क्लास में उसको एक सुनामी का वीडियो दिखाया गया था, जिस वीडियो में उसको ये चीज़ें दिखाई गई थी कि वहाँ पर कैसे सुनामी आती है, तो सुनामी आने पर वेव्स की लहरें कैसी हो जाती हैं. And also her teacher told that how the tsunami or the cause of tsunamis. Tsunamis can be occurred due to destruction or due to landslide, volcanoes, explosion and earthquake. When Tilly guessed that what had happened, then she began to scream at her family. Screamed here means cry. And began to say that just leave the beach. वो कहने अपने फैमिली से बोलती है कि आप लीव करो, जल्दी से बीच को खाली करो. She had talked about an earthquake under the sea. She had got more and more hysterical, said Mother Penny. I didn't know what a tsunami was. And he was in a very hurry, in a hysterical mood means that means a person who was in hurry and said that just leave the beach. But on that occasion, her mother never guessed that what was happened and what the means of tsunami. उस समय उसकी माँ जो है समझ ही नहीं पाई कि सुनामी होता क्या है. But seeing my daughter so pretend, but she remembered that on that moment she saw that her daughter was pretended. उसको याद था कि उस समय जिस समय सुनामी की बात हो रही है ना, कि जिस समय वो सुनामी आई हुई थी और टिली उस बीच पे थी, उसने कौन से एक्शंस किए थे, तो वो कहते हैं कि मैंने इतना गेस कर लिया कि वो काफ़ी डरी हुई थी, प्रिटेंड थी. आई थॉट समथिंग सीरियस मस्ट बी गोइंग ऑन एंड सी गेस दैट समथिंग सीरियस मस्ट बी गोइंग ऑन. दैट मीन्स उसको लगा कि कुछ तो सीरियस होने वाला है. Tilly's parent took her and her sister from the beach. Tilly's parent took her and her sisters from the beach. टिली के पेरेंट्स ने क्या किया? टिली के पेरेंट्स ने टिली और उसके सिस्टर को बीच से दूर लेके गए. टू स्विमिंग पूल एट द होटल. वो स्विमिंग पूल एट द होटल की तरफ लेके गए. अ नंबर ऑफ अदर टूरिस्ट ऑल्सो लेफ्ट द बीच विद देम. और उसके साथ साथ और भी नंबर्स ऑफ लॉट ऑफ टूरिस्ट हु केम हियर टू एंजॉय द Christmas, they also left the beach suddenly. Then it was if the entire sea had come out after them. I was screaming, "Run!" And on that occasion, she saw that the entire sea began to swell and the waves began to come toward her and her family. So she screamed that, "Run!" वो देखिए कि काफ़ी तेज़ लहरें उसकी ओर आ रही हैं, तो उसने चिल्लाते हुए बोली कि भागो यहाँ से. द फैमिली टुक रिफ्यूज इन द थर्ड फ्लोर ऑफ द होटल. द बिल्डिंग withstood the surge of three tsunami waves, and they just take the refuge in the third floor of the hotel where they stayed, and they saw that the three mighty waves struck on the hotel. If they had stayed on beach, they would not have been alive. And they begin to remember that if they stayed on the beach, they cannot survive themselves in that mighty waves. वो इस mighty waves में survive नहीं कर सकते थे. They could never, कभी नहीं कर सकते थे वो. The Smith later met other tourists who had lost entire families. Then after when the tsunami resides, जब tsunami resides हो गई, वापस चली गई, that means जब tsunami ख़त्म हो गई, लहरें ख़त्म हो गई, तो जो पेनी स्मिथ जो कि टिली के फादर हैं, वो अदर लोगों से मिलते हैं, टूरिस्ट से मिलते हैं, जिनकी फैमिली पूरी की पूरी फैमिली ही ख़त्म हो चुकी थी. That means washed away in the tsunami waves. Thanks to Tilly and her geography lesson. Then Penny Smith, thanks to his daughter and thanks to the lesson of geography, वो अपनी बेटी को और उस ज्योग्राफी लेसन को थैंक्स कहते हैं, जिसने उन टिली को इतना सेंस दिया था कि she can guess that what the means of changing atmosphere or changing the nature. जो ये समझ चुकी थी कि अगर नेचर में कोई चेंजेस होता है तो उसका मतलब क्या है. They had been forewarned. Tilly went back to her school in England and told her classmates her terrifying tale. Then when Tilly come back to England and went to her school, then she explained the entire event, entire happening with her classmates, and her classmates began to surprise and began to appreciate on the knowledge and the wittiness and the logical mind of that girl. So student, what you are getting by the books, by your lesson, you have to apply in your life, because you don't know that what the things, when and in which condition can help you. आप नहीं जानते कि आपकी कौन सी नॉलेज, कौन सी मैटर आपको किस परिस्थिति में, कौन सी घटना में कब आपकी हेल्प कर दे, आप नहीं जानते. इसलिए आपको हर एक चीज़ सीखना चाहिए एंड ट्राई टू अप्लाई व्हेन एवर दिस इज रिक्वायर्ड. जब भी इसकी ज़रूरत हो ना तो इसको अप्लाई करना चाहिए. आई होप सो दैट दिस इज़ वेरी सिंपल बट हैज़ मोरल. सिंपल तो है बट इसमें एक मोरल है. एंड 4 क्वेश्चन इज ऑल्सो गिवन एंड आई होप सो दैट यू कैन राइट. आप क्वेश्चन तो लिख ले रहे हो आसानी से. इफ़ any doubt to writing of the answer the given question, then you can just give me the message that sir please explain this question and how can I write. Definitely I will help you. हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं सर, थोड़ा सा हेल्प कीजिए, तो हम निश्चित ही आपको बताएंगे. ओके, आई होप सो दैट यू हैव गॉट and the rest of the things, the part 3rd, will be explained in the 3rd video. Okay, I hope so that you have got. Thank you for watching and listening.